Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 30 of the Cougar Connection. This week, the connection is going to look a little bit differently. I'm actually going to show everyone how to access their NTI Day work in just a few moments after we hit all of the announcements for the week. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Students, if you need to get in contact with myself, then you can call that number at the top of your screen right here. It's 330-648-3579. You can also reach out to myself or your teachers through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or your school email. Some teachers also are using Hangouts or they are using Remind, so those are also options for you to be able to get in contact with someone here at school. And just a reminder, in case you haven't been watching the news, we will not be in session for the next 2 weeks. We have been called off by the state of Kentucky. The governor has made the announcement that no one is to be in school for the next 2 weeks, and the week following that will be our spring break. So we're going to be out for a few weeks. Students, you should have NTI packets that were sent home with you, and if you were absent on Friday, then those will be mailed to you tomorrow. This week, our student spotlight is the Simons Middle School cheerleaders. The cheerleaders have worked really hard this year and they've received several awards and they have won several trophies. The members of the Simons Middle School cheerleading team are Faith McLeish, JC Robinson, Katie Bullion, Summer Harmon, Brianna Cooley, Autumn Maynard, McKenna Highfield, Julia Horn, Kara Spencer, Ella King, Riley Souter, Mahala Hessler, Marissa Clifton. Recently, they competed in the Bluegrass Classic National Championship, and they actually were awarded the Grand Champion Award. They were also first place in the club and rec division, and they won the Grand Champion, naming them the champions of the entire competition, which also earned them a bid to nationals. So congratulations, SMS cheerleaders. Really proud of all your hard work and your accomplishments and demonstrating can wheel must attitude. This week's staff spotlight goes to Taylor Hunt. Mr. Hunt is a social studies teacher here at Simons Middle School. He teaches 8th grade social studies on the Silver Snakes team. And this week he had a lot of work to do because he is the fella who organizes our 8th grade trip to Washington, D.C. every year. And this week he worked tirelessly to get that trip stopped and the money refunded from the travel company. So thank you, Mr. Hunt. He also does a lot of things for us here at Simons Middle School. He helps with athletics. And he's always willing to jump in and lend a hand if we're in need. So thank you, Mr. Hunt, for everything that you do for SMS. We really appreciate all of your help this week and hard work. So I do understand that we're not going to be having traditional instructional days here at Simons Middle School, but we will be having several events this week that are going to take place online. So all of these meetings that you see here are going to be online meetings through Zoom. Zoom is a meeting app that you can either download on your cell phones or you can access Zoom through a web browser. So if you need help getting that figured out, go ahead and send me an email or send me a text and we'll help you get that kind of figured out so you can participate if you need to. On Monday, we'll have an admin team meeting at 9:30. On Monday, we will also have a site-based council meeting. I know it says we will be having that in the conference room, but that's actually going to take place via Zoom. We will have a SPED PLC at 3 o'clock. We will also, on Tuesday, we will also have a student support session through Zoom at 1 o'clock. Parents are also going to be talking about during that student support session, that service project that we are going to do with Pioneer Trace Nursing Home and writing the letters. So if you are interested in participating in that, students, make sure you jump online at 1 o'clock on Tuesday. We'll push out all this information on Facebook too, so you'll have access to the links. On Wednesday, we also have a PLC for Unified Arts, and we have a leadership team meeting at 3 o'clock. Thursday, Green Monkey PLC at 2 o'clock, Red Jaguar PLC at 3 o'clock. On Friday, Silver Snakes PLC at 2 o'clock, and the Blue Barracudas will have PLC at 3 o'clock. Students, it's also Can Mess T-shirt Friday. If you send in a picture or post a picture of you wearing your shirt, then I will send you a Cougar Pride postcard, and you can use that Cougar Pride postcard when we get back to cash in for cookies or Kona Ice. So traditionally at Simons Middle School on Monday, we do something every morning, every Monday morning, where we announce students who are the Achieve 3000 winners for the week. So we do want to take a moment and congratulate the following students who were Achieve 3000 top scorers. On Monday, Alyssa Godby; Tuesday, Brianna Huggins; Wednesday, Peyton Applegate; Thursday, Jocelyn Crum; and Friday, Peyton Applegate. Top scorer for the week was named Barbie. And the students with the most activities at 75% or above in grade 7 was Alyssa Godby, and in grade 8 was Trevor Dummett. So students, I am going to fill out a Cougar Pride postcard for you. Be on the lookout for those. I'll send those in the mail, and you'll be able to cash those in whenever we get back for a slushie through Kona Ice, or for some goodies that are in our cafeteria. So, like I said, the Cougar Connection recording looks a little different this week, and that's because I want to make sure that everyone understands how they can access their NTI work electronically. So, you can access this from any web browser. I would use Chrome. I think it's the easiest and most friendly browser to use, especially for Google Tools, if that's what you're using to access your work. So in a new tab, I'm going to visit the Fleming County Schools website. That is fleming.kyschools.us. And when I get here, you're going to look for the schools link. Simons Middle School, and you're going to look for this link right here. This is Cougars NTI Days, and when you click on this Cougar NTI Days link, it's going to bring up a slide deck through Google. This has all of your work students linked in there. So what you need to do is look through each of the assignments from your teachers. We also have your Unified Arts, and we even have JAG linked in here. So if you need assignments for that, please, by all means, make sure you're picking them up from here. We also have BPI work going on, and that'll be something that we're going to talk about in that student support session as well on Tuesday. And then the very last slide, we'll pull up one of these slides so you guys can see what some student work looks like. Here's Miss Ratliff's class. So she's got your assignments in here each day. And the very last slide also has a link to all of your additional work or programs that we provide here at Simons Middle School. So you've got your Achieve, you've got your Alex, Quill, typing, and it's got the norms for those. I know it says 6 through 10. I'll fix that here in just a few minutes. But also it has the outcomes. You know, usually we're thinking that an NTI lesson is going to take about 25 to 30 minutes, so that's something students that you can expect whenever you start working on an assignment. And also it has this number here. So if you do need help, make sure that you call in. I'll probably post some more instructional type videos as we go. Just so that you guys, parents and students alike, have access to some information about how you can best complete your NTI day work. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have a great week.